Hello my friends, welcome back to my cooking channel, Ellen's Homemade Delights. And today in my southern kitchen, I'm going to share with all of y'all one of my favorite Mexican dishes, chicken flautas. And the best part about this recipe, they're baked, not fried. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. And as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. Great to serve as an appetizer or a main course. And perfect for your Cinco de Mayo celebrations. Everybody's going to love and enjoy these. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And for more Mexican recipes, check out my Mexican recipes playlist. So grab your tortillas, your cheese, and your chicken sugar, because we're about to bake some chicken flautas magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go! Alright my friends, in my large bowl, I have 1.5 cups of cooked chicken that I shredded. You can use rotisserie chicken or you can cook your own. And in 2 hour chicken, we're going to add in 1 cup of cheese. I'm using the Quesadilla, or you can use Mexican blend or Monterrey Jack. 6 ounces of cream cheese spread. 1/3 cup of salsa. And our seasonings, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, a pinch of cayenne pepper, and kosher salt and black pepper to taste, or you can use white pepper. And give it a quick stir until everything is well blended. Alright my friends, and just that quickly, our filling is complete. How simple and easy was that? Now we're ready to make our flautas. On my platter, I have flour tortillas, and these are my homemade tortillas that I made on my last video. I'll post a link to that down below in the description box. So using my spoon, gonna put some of the filling onto the tortilla, like so. And then we're going to roll it like this, just like you would do a burrito. I'm going to roll it tight. Just like that. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish rolling up the rest of my flautas, and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I'm through rolling out my flautas. So now I place them onto my 9 by 13 inch baking sheet that I lined with aluminum foil, and I sprayed it with cooking spray. So now we're going to spray the flautas on top so they'll be golden brown when they come out. Alrighty, now we're ready to put them in the oven. Oven's preheated to 400 degrees. We're going to let them bake for about 15 minutes. And I'll bring you back. Alrighty my friends, I have taken my flautas out of the oven. And they smell incredible. See how nice and golden brown they are? So now I'm about to plate them up, and then we'll give them a taste. Alright my friends, there you have it. Oven baked chicken flautas. Don't that look good and pretty? I garnish it with some shredded lettuce and diced tomatoes on top. And I'm serving it with some salsa. You can serve it with pico de gallo, guacamole, sour cream, whatever your heart desire. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Dip in the salsa. Look at that. Have a bite. Chicken is juicy. It's gooey and cheesy. And the tortilla is perfectly cooked. These are awesome, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Chicken flauta delicious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media. Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and happy Cinco de Mayo.